Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Under this video, you can download this ROM. Before doing this, click on subscribe to subscribe to my YouTube channel, activate the notification, and click on like and get ready. This is the part 1, okay? The setup review. This is also a beautiful ROM that you can download under this video, and I want to show you how to install it directly to your phone. This is HadesRom. This is version 4.1. Okay, on this version there are many things. Okay, many new features from Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, look at that. This is HadesRom version 4. Okay, let me to show you what into. Before doing this, okay, get ready. What into settings, okay, and about phone sort of motion. Okay, as you see, this ROM called HadesRom 1 new version 4.0. okay, now let's go to install the version 4.1 here. Okay, on the part 2 you will see this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, look at that, black theme, fire, so nice. Okay, let's go to the installation. This is installation review. Okay, if you want to download this ROM under this video, copy this ROM on your internal storage or on your SD card. I have copied this ROM on my SD card. Is on the is here. HadesRom here. Look at that. HadesRom version 4.1 zip. Download this ROM under this video and get ready. If you have done this now, on the first link you will see how to install TWRP on your phone. Okay. If it's also done, now get ready to hold filter to access to TWRP. You need to hold PSB button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Get ready to do this. One, PSB button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Look at that. Hold, and that's this. This is team win. You need absolutely to install this before. On the first thing you will see the video where I make to show you how to install this and do this. Now, let's go. Click on web. Enter format data. Enter yes into yes. Look at that. Yes. And validate here. Alright. When it's done, click on home. Click on web again. After that, click on advanced web and get ready. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't select internal storage because you have put your beautiful ROM into and reverse. Okay, click on home and click on install now to install your ROM. Okay, select storage. I have copied my ROM to my SD card. Let me to select here my SD card now and do OK. Let's see. It's under this video. HadesRom P stock version 4.1. Let's do it. Woo! So nice and so great. And the installation review started. Get ready. Okay. Get ready. You can subscribe, bro. You can subscribe. Activate notification, bro, because so beautiful. Now this ROM is in front of you. Remember, this ROM is also compatible for 3 devices. Look at that. Some is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8. You can see this here. Look at that. Okay, only for those devices. This is One UI version 4.1. Okay, this is enabled on March 11, 2019. Thank you. Okay, now click on next. The configuration of this ROM started. Follow me. Agree to all, validate, and do this. Yes, look at that. Look at all new things into, all new features into. Look at that. Add Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus B. Wow. S10 Plus Edge service. S10 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Multiple wallpapers feature. Wow. So nice. And it's so great. Okay. Don't forget to watch the next video to see the test review. After this, do this. Click on next again. Click on next again. Okay. Look at here. There are many informations for you. Look at that. You can see S10 Plus multiple wallpapers. Note8 Infinity wallpapers. What is your preference between? I recommend you to let all of this like that. Okay, and click on next. After this, you can see here Good Luck Managers is installed also into clock face and lighting plus and many things that I can discover on the part 2. Don't forget to watch the next video. Okay, click on next again. And next again. Okay, now click on install and the installation started in front of you. Okay, wait for the installation. Wait with me. Woo, so beautiful and so great, bro. Okay, as you see, it's done. Now click on next. Okay, your phone will reboot. It's normal. Click on here, reboot device. Click on end. And don't forget to watch the next video, the part 2, the test review. And under this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate notification. Also, click on like, bro, and get ready. As you see, the LED appear. The installation of this ROM continue. After this, you can configure your phone, your home, okay, or your settings, access to your settings, and configuration started. Yes, okay. Wait with me for finishing, and let's go now on the test review on the part 2. What you will see here or here on the part 2. Follow me, subscribe today, and let's go.